Hello, trading has closed on October 13th, 2021. Our disclaimer always comes first. This is my trading plan for tomorrow, October 14th, 2021. Remember, I can be completely wrong. Trade at your own risk. If you like the channel, please click like and tell your friends. Look for the pattern with the early low, which is right here. Tomorrow's pattern should also have the early low. We said we have a confirmed downtrend, but I thought we had a chance for a counter trend bounce today, and we certainly got it. We said that this break under the line didn't start with a gap, so at some point we should return to the line. Didn't have to be today, but we did return to the line. We're still in a pattern of lower highs, lower lows. Till that changes, this completed the obligation to return to the line, and I don't have any higher targets. During the day, MEJT said this drop would retrace. It was false. Said this rally would retrace. Said this drop would retrace. Now says this rally is going to retrace. It's false. Gives a target of 43, 45, 29. Most likely by Friday's opening hour. And unless we gap up smartly, that's my call. We gapped up, hit higher highs, closed under all the highs. It's a negative pattern. Means you rallied all day, didn't accomplish a thing. Closed under all these highs from the prior consolidation. All you've done is had a standard 50% retrace of the drop. Haven't done anything bullish yet. So failing to follow through on this gap up is negative. Time doesn't run out to early tomorrow. So either you gap and overtake today's high promptly, or else we see lower prices. There's your target, 43, 45, 29. I really can't count this with any degree of confidence. But trying to show something here. What you want to do, here's your high. I have an ABC to make red A. And if this is red C, you want to see some kind of relationship between this drop in the supposed red C and the drop in red A. Well, if this is brown A of red A, you can see it's exactly equal to the length of brown A of what I'm calling red C. And if you measure brown B from its origin to its high point, there's today's high. Doesn't mean it's the only count, doesn't even mean it's the right count. But as long as this relationship holds, I'm going to stick with it. And if it holds, today's high is going to hold, and we're going to have a wave brown C down, very likely twice as long as brown A, We take this out significantly, take out today's high significantly. The idea is killed. But as I said, if we don't do it early, I think it's unlikely, particularly with a day with the early low. So tomorrow's pattern has early low, doesn't mean you won't gap up. We gapped up, hit higher highs, closed under all the highs. It's a negative pattern. Either you gap and promptly overtake today's high, or lower prices should print regardless of how we close. We have a lower MEJT target. Either you gap up smartly or it should print by early Friday. I'm giving no credit to anyone, to the bulls, for this rally. Didn't accomplish a thing. We still have lower highs, lower lows. Can all be invalidated by taking this out, by gapping over it tomorrow. Can't say it's impossible. Futures are up. But I'm sticking with the target, 43, 45, 29. As always, you gap up smartly is kill before the open. Otherwise, I think we'll see that by early Friday at the latest. And if that wave count is correct, it could be a lot more downside coming. And that is today's call.